It's Splash! The sun is going down in Bloop Town, and you know what that means. It's time to look up at the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Well, hello down there. I'm Stella. Are you talking to me? Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Whoa, that's so pretty! Can I come up and see you closer? Up, up, up he goes! Past the clouds, past the treetops, all the way to the stars! You made it! Welcome to the stars, Splash! When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night.
Splash, meet my little ones. This is how we say goodnight up here.
Aw, hi little stars. You're so sparkly.
Let's dance among the stars. Round and round we go,
we go!
But even stars get sleepy when the night grows very late. Time for bed, little ones. Splash, will you help me tuck them in? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Good night, little stars. Thank you for showing me the sky.
Come back and visit any time, Splash. I'll always be twinkling right here for you.
Down, down, down he floats, back past the clouds, back to his home so sweet. Splash landed softly back on Dewdrop Hill, right where he started.
Let's sing it one more time together, nice and slow, just like a lullaby.
How I wonder what you are.
Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Good night, Splash. Good night, Stella. Good night, Bloop Town.
Thanks for singing with us! Which song should Splash sing next time? Tell us in the comments!
Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new song every week. See you next time, friends!